All right, as per Armando's request, I'm going to try and speak a little bit louder. So apologies for those of you that have been having issues hearing me. Again, today we are focusing and zooming in on sedimentary rocks. I just want to give us a quick recap on yesterday's work and also go into a little bit more detail on parts of this graph or parts of this diagram. Remember, this diagram is found in the Earth Science Reference Table, which you will be using religiously next year. So again, we know the different sections, right? Grain size, how large are the particles that make up the rock, composition, what is the rock made up of, which minerals, comments, important facts and information that you will need to know, the name of the rock, and then of course the symbol that is associated with that rock. Today we're going to look at some examples of clastic, crystalline, and bioclastic. So remember that clastic means fragmental, okay? Clastic means fragmental. Fragmental means pretty much parts of rock. You know what? I'm going to just move on to the next page because I think you will appreciate seeing examples. All right, here we have our clastic rocks. Clastic or fragmental rocks. Clastic rocks are made up of smaller rock particles, so they're made up of sediments, which are smaller rock particles. Sometimes the sediments are very large, like the conglomerate, right, has very large sediments. Sometimes the sediments are very small, like the sandstone here, okay? But these sediments have been compacted and cemented together to create these clastic sedimentary rocks. The second type of sedimentary rock, and it's in your diagram as well, are the chemically formed rocks called crystalline rocks, okay? Some common features of crystalline rocks you'll see are intergrown crystals, interlocking crystals. Oh goodness, my handwriting is just not improved, people. Interlocking crystals, as you can see, these three examples. Also, one color in each rock, and it's also made up of one mineral. It's not made up of multiple minerals, but specifically one mineral per rock, or one type of mineral, we'll say. Finally, the third type, and then I'm going to end this video because it's getting a little bit longer than I'd like, is the bioclastic, okay? Bioclastic, what word do you hear? Bio means living, right? So bioclastic rocks are made up of, are made up of particles that were once living. So either dead plant matter or dead animal matter. So here we've got some shells. This is limestone made up of fragments of shells. Here we've got coal made up of dead plant matter. By the way, limestone can either be bioclastic or it can be crystalline, right? If it has the interlocking crystals and chemically formed, it would be crystalline. But if it's made up of these fragmented seashells, it would be considered bioclastic. Best of luck today. I hope you all got something out of this video. I know it was a little bit wordy. Please call me, text me, just to say hi or for extra help. I love and I miss you all.